What's up, BB Gang? It's your girl, Shy Bun. So, guys, as y'all can see by the title of this video right here, I'm going to be doing the ignore my boyfriend while making him jealous. Right now, he's in the front room. He's talking to his mom right now. So, yeah, and I told him that I need something to drink. So, he's going in there to get something to drink. He might be like a few minutes or whatever because he's talking to his mom. But hopefully he come back soon because I do need my drink, but I'm acting like I don't need it anymore. You know what I mean? So, we're just gonna get straight into this video right now.
Baby? Babe. Hey, we ain't got no, why you say like that? We ain't got no orange juice. Why you say like that? Babe. Babe, we ain't got no orange juice, right? Babe. She's right here. We got oranges right there. You hear me? Babe, what's going on? Babe. What are you doing? See? You want a piece of bread? Piece of bread and sausage. What the hell wrong with you? You want a piece of bread? Hello? What the fuck? Bro, you was just talking right now. Why ain't I talking right now? What's your bread, babe? Babe. Babe. What are you doing? Babe. What are you doing? What are you taking pictures for? Babe, the juice right here. Babe, juice right here. You don't want it? She out of juice. Babe. She want. You put it on Instagram? We're going on Instagram? You taking a picture? You taking a picture? Why you putting me off for? But why you take? Whoa! What are you doing? Whoa! Bro, fix your shirt. What are you doing? Fix your shirt, nigga. What are you doing? Hold on real quick. Babe. Bro, why you ignoring me? What are you doing with the banana? Whoa! What are you doing with the banana? What are you doing? Oh, whoa! Give me your phone. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You ain't taking a picture over here? Don't do that. Don't do that, okay? Are you okay? Bro, what the hell is it doing? Bro, why are you taking pictures with the banana though? Chill. What is he doing? Chill out. What are you doing? What are you doing? Shit, you twerking? Shit, you can twerk right here. What are you going on? You can twerk right here, girl. Shit, what are you talking to me? What's going on? 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 What are you doing? Babe, come on now. What kind of game? What is he doing? What's the deal, bro? What? What is it? Are you gonna talk to me, bro? Like you was literally just talking right now. I stepped out for 20 minutes. I come back acting like a goofball. You stupid? Like you want your drinks or what? Why you pee my banana in the first place though? Whoa! What are you doing? Whoa! You got tripping. Whoa. Hey, look at me. Hey, look at me. Hey. Bro, I'm about to take your phone from me, bro. Can you recording this and shit? Like, bro, stop running away from me, dog. What the hell wrong with this girl? What are you doing? Give me this damn phone. What is you doing, nigga? Shit. Don't post that. Don't post that. Yo, don't play me. Don't post that. Don't. Shit, I'm gonna be in the picture too. Shit, what's up? I'm gonna be in the picture you going too. Shit, what's up? Man, come on, man. It's too hot in here, man. Why are you taking pictures for? Why are you taking pictures for? What the fuck? What are you doing? What the hell is wrong with you, bro? Hey, what are you doing? Don't do that. What are you doing? Put your shit up, girl. You gonna talk right now? You gonna talk now? Like, come on, man. It's too hot, man. Come on, man. What do you... Babe, it's too hot to be doing all this. Whoa! Give me this shit. What are you doing? Whoa! What's funny?
It's a prank.
What is a prank?
It's a prank, babe. Why you jump on me like that? Shit. Golly. Sumo wrestler head. It's a prank.
What the hell?
It's a prank, babe.
Babe, you move my shit? Bro, but you gotta delete them videos off your phone though.
They posted. I'm posting it.
Who?
But I'm posting it. You see all that hard work I did? I'm posting it.
I'm gonna check this shit real quick, cause you ain't posting shit. You boy trying to come up right now. Shit.
No, I'm posting it. Y'all see? I couldn't stand it no more, cause he is so. Y'all know how goofy he is. He is so goofy. I couldn't stand it. I could have done some more stuff. I had some more stuff in my head, but he is so doggone goofy. I was laughing throughout this whole video. Look at his face.
So what was the purpose of that? How was that a prank?
I was trying to get your reaction, babe.
Of what? Man, you got my reaction already. You was picking up your bra and shit and taking new videos. What kind of shit that you trying to expose yourself?
No, but I was trying to put sexy pictures out.
Sexy pictures out. You over here?
Babe, I told you I was trying to get more into doing pictures and stuff.
That ain't a picture.
Yes, it is.
A picture is you give me the phone. I take a picture for you. You over here taking a
Well, can you take me a picture?
When you put some proper clothes on.
I got on clothes.
You look like you're the #1 shipper in America.
You annoying.
I'm over here taking me got the orange juice and shit. We got this strawberry juice.
I don't want that, babe. You drinking
shit, you ain't
it?
getting nothing now. I'm over here sweating. I'm finna drink it.
You got some water? Y'all, it's hot up in here. He over here, he got me doing acrobatic stuff and stuff.
I ain't got you doing nothing. That's you over here.
Got me roll around the bed and stuff. It's hot. Y'all look at my nose. It's hot up in here. Y'all look at his face. Y'all think I got him? Look at that baby face. Look at his face. Babe, you reacted good though.
Who reacted good?
Because you didn't allow me to expose myself like that.
That was the whole point.
Yeah, I know.
Was that your whole point of this video?
That was my whole point, to see your reaction. You was trying to climb up on me.
No, it was you over here. I ain't even gonna do the move, but you over here sitting your ass like this. Your ass like your head on your ass so big. What you expect, nigga? Nigga, all you was right. You was like right here on your phone. I walked out. I told the mommy I come back in. You over here, sit down like this. Your ass up here. Your ass up here. Like what? Then you move. When did you put that right there?
I put it over there when you was talking to her. Y'all talked for a long time.
How did you hear that?
Cause.
I know. How do you move this? This shit I'm gonna see, bro.
You got
some of that. You got a nigga in here that help you or something?
I don't know. Do I? I'm playing.
What you mean, dude? You over here sitting your ass hooked down here and shit?
He was showing me how to position myself and stuff.
Who?
Huh?
Who?
Huh? Huh?
I'm trying to control you that head.
I got a good reaction out of him. Comment Team Shavon, Sha Money in the comment section below.
You gonna fix my shit back?
I'm not fixing that shit back. That shit was heavy.
That
was heavy. My wig about to come off. You see how hard I'm sweating?
You better take it off and move it.
Shit. Can we go get ice cream?
Who need ice cream?
Okay, guys, we about to end this video right here because my arm is getting tired. This camera is heavy. So, yeah, guys, like this video. Comment in the comment section. Team Sha Money. Also, subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time we post a video. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be
quiet.
I'm playing, babe. I'm playing. Go over there, sexy.
Don't call me sexy.
Babe,
Burn up.
I can call you sexy.
Burn up, pan that. Burn up.
I can call you sexy. You my doggone boyfriend.
It's hot.
Okay, y'all. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Bye.